Join me as I take on the challenge of simplifying AI concepts for seniors over 50. Let's make tech easy to understand. Artificial intelligence, or AI for short, is a term that's been buzzing around for a while, but what does it really mean? In simple terms, AI refers to a type of computer technology that can think and learn on its own, making decisions and solving problems just like humans do. And the goal of this video is to make AI accessibility easy for seniors over 50, so you can understand what all the fuss is about and how it can benefit your daily life. There are many misconceptions about AI, and I'd like to address a few of them. One common myth is that AI is only for the younger generation, that it's too complex, and that you need to be a tech expert to understand it. But the truth is, AI is for everyone, regardless of age or technical background. Another misconception is that AI is going to take over the world and replace humans. That's simply not true. AI is designed to assist and augment human capabilities, not replace them. A lot of people also think that AI is something you need to learn from scratch, but the reality is, you're already using AI in your daily life without even realizing it. For example, have you ever used Siri or Google Assistant on your smartphone? That's AI at work. Or when you talk to your smart speaker, like Alexa, that's also AI. AI is already integrated into many devices and systems, making our lives more convenient and efficient. In healthcare, AI is used to analyze medical images, diagnose diseases, and develop personalized treatment plans. In the smart home, AI powers devices that can control temperature, lighting, and security, making our living spaces more comfortable and safe. These are just a few examples of how AI is already being used to improve our daily lives. Let me share with you a story about a senior who benefited from AI. Mary, a 75-year-old retired teacher, was struggling with mobility issues and couldn't keep up with her medication schedule. Her granddaughter introduced her to an AI-powered medication reminder system, which sent reminders to Mary's phone and even monitored her medication levels. This AI system made a huge difference in Mary's life, giving her independence and peace of mind. Stories like Mary's illustrate the positive impact AI can have on seniors' lives. AI is not just about technology, it's about improving the quality of life, increasing independence, and enhancing overall well-being. To recap, we've discussed what AI is, debunked some common misconceptions, explored how AI is used in daily life, and seen an example of how AI has positively impacted a senior's life. Thanks for watching, and I'd love to hear about your experiences with AI in the comments below. If you're interested in learning more about technology for seniors, be sure to check out my other videos.